It's just before Burwell lines up just above that tree. I know where that is. That's 90 times zoom from where I am. Neighbours, please cut these bushes. I'll wait for it to come out of there, else I can't see a thing. Whereabouts are you now? That's just about. No, it's just been behind that bit there. Oh, come on, neighbours, come on. There it is, not in focus because of these bushes. Right, once it's past this bit, I should be able to get some footage of it. Here we go. So that is 51 times zoom. Oh dear God. Cloud just at the wrong height. That is so typical. Oh, and again, clouds just at the wrong height. How annoying is that? Right, there we go, 46 times zoom. Little bird of prey just flown over. Sparrow hawk scaring lots of birds. I'm going to go for 90 times zoom quickly so I can get a close-up shot of it. There we go, 90 times zoom. Looking to mine north-east sort of thing. So this is doing circuits at the moment over at RAF Mildenhall. Come back from its morning mission, and that's all I can see from where I am. Let's just see where it lines up. That lines up, yeah, pretty much with where the A10 is. I lost sight of it near the A10, near the waste management place. And just to show you what the reg of that is, that was 64-14848, Boeing RC135. Time is 4:27 PM. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.